So we want to quickly look at how to create new file or new workbook like I've shown you before. You come to new, click on the blank space. So this is a new workbook. If you want to save the file, come to file, save or save as. So don't forget that this is what is called the back view stage or backstage view. Let me put it that way. This is the backstage. Like I said before, now my computer is connected to the internet. You can notice that there are other options that have popped up because of the use of internet. So you can see take a tour to Excel, drop down tutorial, formula tutorial, power query tutorial, and pivot tutorial table. So that is not where we're going right now. So to save your file, you quickly go to save as. Like I said before, you have some options here. You can either save to the cloud by using your OneDrive, or you save to your computer. You can either choose PC or you browse a particular location. Let's say by default you want to save it to document. So you go to save as book 1. You save it there. So in order to open an existing file or workbook, go to open here. This is open. By default you will see some lines of job that will be done on this particular computer. So you can locate a specific file in your computer. This is book 1, the one we just saved. You can open it, or let's say just click on open. This is another file that has been created before. This is a list of people's names. So this is how to open an existing file or work that will be done in time past. So you can easily locate them and you open them. So that's how to open an existing file. If you have a particular file that you want to work with often, like you make use of it often, like most of the time, so you can have it pinned, just like this one that we're working with right now that we open. So because you open it often and you work with it, so you can have it pinned. So when you highlight or just over it with your mouse, and you will see a pin here, this pin icon. So just click on it. So it means that you have already pinned. So when you click on open, you will see it appear. Go back to home, click on pinned, then see it's already appeared here. So that's how to pin a document to your Excel shortcut. So from there you just click on it and you open it. So you can also make use of templates in Excel. Like I said earlier when I was just introducing it to Excel. So you can make use of templates. Come to new. You can see suggested templates here. These are all called templates. Suggested. You can search here, or you can see anyone you see here that it maybe it suits what you want to do. You can just click on it. When you click, it's going to appear with some sort of information, daily work schedule. Then if you like it, you want to use it, you go to create. So you click on create. You can see this is a daily work schedule. So you can set a schedule for yourself on daily basis. You can also go back to the backstage view. Click on new. On the template, you can also search like maybe family budgets. So make sure your computer is connected to the internet so that search monthly budgets, family budgets, vacation budgets, party planner. So if you like party planner, click on it and create. So you already have it. So you can work with it. So it's very, very important. So also want to look at what we call compatibility mode. Sometimes you may need to work with workbooks that were created in earlier versions. That is, maybe you install Office 2010 and now you have Office 2016, like I'm using 2016 version. So, and you have a project that was created or workbook created in the earlier versions. So, when you open these types of workbooks, they will appear in compatibility mode. Like, so the mode disables certain features. So you will only be able to access commands found in program that was used to create the workbook. So for example, if you open a workbook created in the lower version, you can only use tabs and commands found in Excel 2003. So if you create it with 2003, if you come to save as here. So when you click save as, this particular window will open. Then save as type. So you can see that there is a lot of options. Look at Excel 97 to 2003. So it's a default format for everything. When you save it, so like let's assume that you save it like this, you're going to get some features that has to do with your lower version which you used to create the document. So that's why when you open such document, it's going to ask you if you want to if you want to be converted to this current version. So it's going to upgrade it to the current version that you are using. If you want to access all of the Excel features of your current upgraded one, so you can convert the workbook. So, but note that converting a file may cause some changes to the original layout of the workbook. So, click the File tab to access the backstage. This is the backstage once again. You can always convert from, just say, okay, come to information here. So, assuming that you are using open a file that was created with the earlier version. So, from here you will see an option to convert. So, when you convert, it's going to upgrade your workbook to the current one. So, your quick exercise for this session is to create a new blank workbook, open an existing workbook from your computer, pin a file, a folder to the backstage view, then you also create new workbook using the template. That will do for this session. Thank you. See you in the next one.